All four of these buildings are 100% different. Every detail is different, the unit's different, the outside facade, the color. You'll see a Vanderbilt, Harvard, Hogwarts type level of details. It's not simply flat. There's a million different shapes and textures and layers. The cost of that in brick is significantly higher than, say, just flat brick. Going with the Dryvit model allows you a huge savings there, and you can still pull off some of those shapes.
It's cost savings because you don't have the transitions of flashing, you don't have transitions and caulking and so forth, so all those things are advantages to the Dryvit system.
The return on the efficiency is much greater with the substrate of the Dryvit than it is if you can imagine a mason, trying to pull off those maneuvers.
We ordered all the shapes in pre-base coated shapes. All those pre-base coated things can help in the speed of the job.
We found ourselves, just to be honest, with a $4 million issue, and this was our solution.